Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mrs. Satu Makela Butis, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Finland to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, it is an honor to present the letter of credence which the President of Finland has addressed Your Excellency, accrediting me the Ambassador of Finland to the Republic of Fiji. It's also an honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji and we wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to the President and the government and the people of Finland our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Welcome. Basket made from pandanus leaves.
Oh, thank you so much. How beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you very
It'll
much.
be good for
Yes,
we
I
enjoy
will
it.
certainly use it.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I have a small, this I would call sustainable design. You know, these are made by famous architects and designers.
Oh,
And you know, he was working already in the 1930s and 40s. But
Naka. Thank you.
thank you very much.